I'm MSAzure, co-founder and director at Sysfore. We are an enterprise application solution partner. Today we are seeing a big shift in enterprises as well as small and medium customers from shifting on-premise infrastructure to cloud infrastructure. We've been working on cloud and mobility services for the last more than a decade. Today, our main focus is Azure and cloud-related services on Azure. We work with large enterprises primarily to enable them on their cloud journey and also to make them understand how they can actually benefit out of this cloud services. At Sysfore, we primarily focus on three main areas. We do modern apps. We help customers to build cloud-ready applications which can scale to any extent. Then we focus on storage and disaster recovery on Azure. This is something which is very, very cost efficient. Third is everybody wants to have something on the cloud, but they don't know how to manage and maintain it. And that's where our managed services come into play. The IT consumers, which are the large enterprises, for them, if you look at it, cost reduction is the biggest point. Second is everybody wants business insights. How do you get that? How can you analyze huge volume of data? The next bigger area is you see people or employees traveling across. They want access to the business, access to the data all the time. And this is where cloud comes into the right fit. Azure is the only product or platform which gives you infrastructure, platform to build all your different kinds of applications as a service, software as a service. So it's very important to see that a platform or a product is available in all these spaces, which is critical for any business. So that's the biggest advantage for Azure.
So at Sysfore, the biggest advantage that we have with Azure is everything is integrated very nicely with Visual Studio. So the biggest advantage being that developers can just go ahead and build their applications very quickly. And everything is just one click away. You create a profile, give the connections, and that's it. Immediately you have the site up and running.
We work with a large agribusiness organization, very traditional business. We help them in moving their traditional on-premise infrastructure to Azure. So now they have the flexibility to access all the data remotely from all their different locations. Today, since everything is on cloud, Sysfore is managing their infrastructure remotely, and we give them all the proactive support in terms of applications, and we also give them cost-effective maintenance so that we can actually tell them or predict in terms of when they need to scale or when the business need to actually scale down certain environments which they're actually using on Azure. Azure is the only platform which gives simple solutions to all the complex business problems.